A handful of health-exploring raisin water. For centuries, raisins have held a place of honor on our tables, enjoyed for their sweet, chewy texture and concentrated burst of flavor. But what if this humble dried fruit held a secret, a simple transformation that could unlock a wealth of potential health benefits? Enter raisin water, a surprisingly potent elixir made by steeping raisins in water, drawing out their hidden nutritional treasures. This unassuming drink has been quietly gaining popularity as more people discover its surprising benefits for digestion, liver health, and overall well-being. Join us as we delve into the world of raisin water, separating fact from fiction and uncovering the truth behind this ancient remedy. Raisin water is exactly what it sounds like, water infused with the goodness of raisins. The process is simple. Plump a handful of raisins in water overnight, allowing them to release their nutrients and create a subtly sweet, flavorful drink. But don't let the simplicity fool you. This unassuming beverage packs a nutritional punch, offering a concentrated dose of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can significantly impact your health. The beauty of raisin water lies not just in its simplicity, but also in its versatility. Unlike many health fads that require specialized ingredients and complicated preparation, raisin water is accessible to everyone. Whether you're a health enthusiast or simply seeking a natural way to boost your well-being, raisin water offers an easy and enjoyable path to better health. So, let's raise a glass to this humble drink and explore the science behind its remarkable benefits. Nutritional powerhouse, unveiling the benefits. Raisins, and by extension raisin water, are nutritional powerhouses, brimming with essential vitamins and minerals. They are particularly rich in iron, potassium, and calcium, all of which play crucial roles in maintaining optimal health. Iron is vital for oxygen transport, potassium regulates blood pressure, and calcium strengthens bones and teeth. Beyond these essential nutrients, raisins are abundant in antioxidants, powerful compounds that protect our bodies from damage caused by harmful free radicals. These antioxidants, including polyphenols and flavonoids, have been linked to a reduced risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and certain types of cancer. In a world increasingly bombarded by environmental toxins and stress, incorporating antioxidant-rich foods like raisins into our diet is more important than ever. One of the most celebrated benefits of raisin water is its positive impact on digestion. Raisins are a good source of fiber, both soluble and insoluble, which is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive tract. Soluble fiber dissolves in water, forming a gel-like substance that aids in digestion and helps regulate bowel movements, preventing constipation. Insoluble fiber, on the other hand, adds bulk to stool, promoting regularity and preventing digestive discomfort. A note of caution: addressing potential drawbacks. While raisin water offers a plethora of health advantages, it's essential to approach it with a balanced perspective. Like any food or drink, moderation is key. Raisins are naturally high in sugar, and while this sugar is naturally occurring, excessive consumption can contribute to weight gain and other health issues. Individuals with diabetes or those monitoring their sugar intake should exercise caution and consult their healthcare provider before incorporating raisin water into their diet. The concentrated sugar content may lead to blood sugar spikes if consumed in large quantities. It's crucial to be mindful of serving sizes and monitor your body's response. Another factor to consider is the potential for pesticide residues. Conventionally grown raisins may contain traces of pesticides used during cultivation. To minimize exposure, opting for organic raisins is recommended. Organic raisins are grown without synthetic pesticides, ensuring a purer and healthier final product. Embrace the elixir, integrating raisin water into your routine. Incorporating raisin water into your daily routine is remarkably simple. Start your day with a glass of this subtly sweet elixir to kickstart your digestion and reap its benefits throughout the day. You can also enjoy it as a refreshing afternoon pick-me-up or a healthy alternative to sugary drinks. Experiment with different preparations by adding a squeeze of lemon for a citrusy twist, or infusing it with cinnamon sticks for a warming, aromatic touch. For a more indulgent treat, Blend raisin water into smoothies or use it as a base for healthy homemade popsicles. The possibilities are endless, allowing you to tailor this versatile drink to your taste preferences. Remember, consistency is key. While a single glass of raisin water may offer a gentle boost, incorporating it into your daily routine can lead to more noticeable and lasting benefits. Listen to your body, adjust your intake as needed, and enjoy the journey to a healthier, happier you, one sip at a time.